Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making a delicious, easy, creamy garlic potato soup. This is so delicious, and it's super easy to make. We've got a shortcut here. You'll see what it is. I think you're going to love this recipe. The ingredients in this recipe are vegetable broth, water, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, ground black pepper, plain instant potato flakes, milk, butter, dried chives, smoked paprika. Did you see the shortcut? It's the plain instant potato flakes. This is a really creamy, flavorful recipe, really easy to make. You probably have all these ingredients on hand, and so you could make it anytime you don't know what to make. The first thing that we're going to do is get a medium saucepan. We're going to add our vegetable broth. This is just already made vegetable broth. You could make your own. We've got 4 cups. 1 cup of water. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. You could adjust the seasonings to your taste. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. I have kosher salt. You could use whatever salt you like best. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Now we're going to mix these together and bring it to a low simmer. So I want to stir everything really well. Okay, our mixture has come to a low boil. And next I'm going to whisk in the potato flakes. I have 1.5 cups plain instant potato flakes. And I'm going to slowly add them. I'm going to do it slowly and continue to whisk so you don't have lumps. I'm going to continue to stir until the mixture is hot and smooth, no lumps. Okay, it's hot and smooth. Next, I'm going to stir in the milk. 1 cup of plain. You can use regular or plant-based. This is almond milk. I'm going to whisk this in. And I have to tell you, when I set up the ingredients, the milk looked a little dark, and I smelled it because I thought, oh, maybe it's bad, but it was vanilla. So if you're going to use a plant-based milk or any milk, make sure it's plain and not flavored. Let's add 1 tablespoon of butter. It could be regular or plant-based butter. This is regular butter. Stir that in. We're going to bring this back to a simmer, and it needs to simmer 5 to 10 minutes, and we need to occasionally stir it so it doesn't get lumpy. So we'll bring it back to a simmer. We're going to stir occasionally to keep the texture creamy. When you choose your potato flakes, make sure to look at the ingredients and choose potato flakes that don't have unwanted ingredients. The less ingredients, the better. If you want a richer soup, you could add a little extra butter or milk. If it ends up too thick, you could also add more milk. You can easily double this recipe. This recipe makes about 4 servings. You can store leftovers in the refrigerator, and the leftovers make a quick, easy meal that tastes delicious. This soup can be a main dish or a side dish. You could pair it with bread, salad, a sandwich, and make a complete meal. Okay, our soup has come to a simmer. We're going to simmer it 5 to 10 minutes. Stirring occasionally, keep it creamy. And so we'll check back in 5 to 10 minutes. So our soup has been simmering almost 10 minutes. I'm going to add a couple ingredients. They're optional, but I think they're delicious. So I have 2 to 3 tablespoons dried chives. Well, this is about 2.5. So we're going to stir that in. Next, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This Gives a really nice flavor. Whisk that in. Once the ingredients are all combined, the soup is heated through, which is very hot. We can turn the heat off and we can try it. It looks so creamy and delicious. You saw how easy that was? Probably be good topped with some shredded cheddar cheese. That would be good too. So I'm going to let this cool a bit and then we'll try it. Okay, the soup has been cooling. I made some buttery toast to go with it, and I'm ready to try. This is so good. This was so easy to make. You probably have all these ingredients on hand. So if you don't know what's for dinner, you can make this real quick and everybody will be happy. Try it and I'll see you in the next lesson.